Welcome to Employment Law This Week. I'm George Whipple. Big changes are happening at the U.S. Department of Labor. The OFCCP is out, and a new opinion letter program could change how the department issues guidance. In January, President Trump issued Executive Order 14173, which rescinded a 1965 order that established discrimination regulations for contractors. This action eliminated the OFCCP's primary mission. Now the DOL has begun the process of closing the office. Epstein Becker Green's Kim Carter is here to give us the latest.
In line with the White House's stated plan to shutter the OFCCP, on May 30th, 2025, the DOL released its budget justification for the fiscal year 2026 federal budget. The budget justification noted that the DOL proposed to, quote, eliminate the OFCCP. Congress has yet to approve the DOL's proposed budget, and statutory amendments may be necessary to transfer authority from the OFCCP to other executive agencies. If the administration is successful in its efforts to shut down the OFCCP, the OFCCP's responsibilities under Section 503 of the Rehabilitation Act will shift to the EOC. In addition, the Veterans Employment and Training Service would take over enforcement duties under the Vietnam-era Veterans Readjustment Assistance Act.
Federal contractors and other employers continue to have obligations under federal anti-discrimination laws, as well as state and local anti-discrimination laws. The Department of Labor has also just announced a new opinion letter program. The current administration's return to and expansion of the program gives employers the opportunity to directly request guidance when they need it. Epstein Becker Green's Paul DeCamp was responsible for issuing opinion letters when he served as wage and hour administrator under President George W. Bush. We asked him about the expansion.
The Department of Labor has, for a long time, more than 80 years, issued opinion letters from the Wage and Hour Division. Now, for the first time, we're seeing the department welcoming requests for opinion letters from 4 other agencies as well: OSHA, MSHA, EBSA, and VETS. And now we see a single portal created at the department that lets you access each of those agencies to submit your request based on the type of issue that you have. The department selects which letters it wants to answer and in what order it wants to answer them based on the perceived benefit to the public. So if you have an issue that really affects only a very small number of employers, the department's less likely to pick that request and instead is more likely to focus on requests that may provide guidance to a broader range of employers or workers across the country.
Thanks, Paul and Kim, and thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.